I am so tired.
Hello, Sarah. How are you?
I am not good, Alex.
Why are you sad?
Look at my room.
Oh, I see.
It is a disaster.
Yes, it is very messy.
I cannot find my bed.
I see clothes everywhere.
I see trash on the floor.
I have an idea.
What is it?
Let's clean this room.
No, Alex.
Why not?
Please. I have no energy.
It will be fast.
It looks like hard work.
We can do it together.
I just want to sleep.
You cannot sleep here.
Why not?
Your bed has books on it.
You are right.
Come on, Sarah. Let's go.
Okay, but I am lazy today.
First, we need tools.
What do we need?
Do you have trash bags?
Yes, they are in the kitchen.
Go get the bags.
Okay, I will get them.
Do you have a broom?
Yes, I have a broom.
Do you have a spray bottle?
Yes, it is under the sink.
Great. Bring everything here.
Here are the bags.
Perfect. Let's start.
Where do we start?
Let's start with the trash.
There's a lot of trash.
Pick up that cup.
This old coffee cup?
Yes. Put it in the bag.
Okay, it is in the bag.
Now, pick up the papers.
These papers are old.
Do you need them?
No, I do not need them.
Throw them away.
Goodbye, papers.
Good job. What else?
There's a pizza box.
That is gross.
It smells bad, too.
Put it in the big bag.
Okay, the trash is gone.
See? That was easy.
The floor looks better.
Now, let's move the clothes.
I have too many clothes.
Pick up the blue shirt.
It is dirty.
Put it in the basket.
Okay, in the basket.
Pick up those socks.
One sock is red.
Where is the other sock?
The other sock is blue.
That is funny.
I will wash them later.
Put the jeans away.
These jeans are clean.
Then fold them nicely.
Okay, I'm folding them.
Put them in the closet.
The closet is full.
Make some space.
Okay, the jeans are inside.
We are making progress.
I'm tired again.
Do not stop now.
Can we take a break?
No, we are almost done.
My arms hurt.
You are strong, Sarah.
I do not feel strong.
Look at the bed.
It is still messy.
Let's fix the sheets.
Help me pull this.
I will help you. Pull.
Okay, the sheet is flat.
Where is the pillow?
It is on the floor.
Pick it up.
Is it dirty?
Shake it a little bit.
Okay, it looks fine.
Put it on the bed.
The bed looks nice now.
See? That was easy.
What is next?
We need to dust.
The desk is very dusty.
Here is a cloth.
Do I use the spray?
Yes, spray the desk.
Okay, spray, spray, spray.
Now wipe it clean.
I'm wiping it.
Look at that shine.
It looks brand new.
Now the final step.
What is the final step?
We must sweep the floor.
I hate sweeping.
It is good exercise.
Fine, give me the broom.
Start in the corner.
There's a lot of dust.
Sweep it to the center.
Okay, I'm sweeping.
Sweep under the bed too.
Oh no, a spider.
Do not be scared.
It is a small spider.
Sweep it away.
Okay, the spider is gone.
You are doing great.
The floor is clean now.
We are finished.
Really? Is it over?
Look around the room.
Wow,
What do you think?
I can see the floor.
I can see the desk.
The air smells fresh.
Are you still tired?
I'm tired but happy.
You did a great job.
No, we did a great job.
Now you can relax.
I can finally find my phone.
Where was it?
It was under the pizza box.
That is funny.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome, Sarah.
You are a good friend.
Now let's go eat.
Yes, I am hungry.
Let's go.
I am so bored today.
Hey, Sam. Good morning.
Hi, Alex. I am very tired.
Why are you tired?
I did nothing all day long.
You need some energy right now.
No, I just want to nap.
No naps today, my friend.
Why? Do you have a plan?
Yes, I have a great idea.
Is it running? I hate running.
No, it is not running.
Is it homework? I hate homework.
No, let's play a fun game.
What game is it?
Let's play chess.
Oh no, chess is too hard.
It is not hard. It is fun.
Chess is for very smart people.
You are smart, Sam.
My brain is sleeping right now,
This game will wake you up.
but I don't know the rules.
Do not worry. I will teach you.
It takes too long to learn.
It is fast. Trust me.
Fine, where is the game?
Look on that shelf.
I see the box.
Please bring it to the table.
This box is heavy.
Open it up.
Okay, here is the board.
It has black and white squares.
Where do the pieces go?
White goes on rows 1 and 2.
And the black pieces?
They go on rows 7 and 8.
I want to be the white team.
Good choice. White moves first.
I just want to watch you.
No, you must play.
Okay, I move this small one.
That is called a pawn.
Do pawns move forward?
Yes, they only move forward.
I move it 2 squares then.
Perfect start. Now watch me.
What are you doing?
I move my knight.
Is that the horse?
Yes, the knight jumps.
This is a bit confusing.
Just look at the board.
I move my bishop now.
The bishop moves diagonally.
Like the letter X?
Yes, exactly like an X.
I move my pawn forward again.
Be careful, I am attacking.
Why are you attacking me?
That is the game, Sam.
I am nervous now.
Don't be nervous, focus.
I don't see a good move.
Look at your king.
My king is unsafe.
You must protect your king.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
I really want to stop.
Do not stop now.
What should I do?
Look at my queen.
She is in the middle.
Is she safe there?
Wait, let me look closely.
Take your time.
If I move my knight,
Yes? What happens?
I can take your queen.
Are you sure?
Yes, the knight jumps here.
Oh no, you were right.
Goodbye, queen.
That was a great move.
I am winning now.
The game is not over yet.
What will you do?
I move my rook.
I see your plan.
I am coming for your king.
No, you are not.
What is your move?
I move my bishop here.
Wait, I missed that.
Checkmate.
Is it really checkmate?
Look carefully at the board.
My king cannot move anywhere.
You are trapped.
Wow, you beat me.
I won the game.
You are very good at chess.
That was actually fun.
Are you tired now?
No, I am wide awake.
Your brain is working fast.
I feel smart today.
Good job, San.
Let's play one more time.
Okay, set up the board.
Great work today. Keep going. Every lesson helps you improve your English. I'm excited to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep learning and see you again soon.